guys, Sam here. Yeah, you join me in the Golf R, and yeah, as the title suggests, a bit about economy. So hopefully not too boring, but something that hopefully will be useful to people, and again, yeah, hopefully it's useful. So essentially all I'm going to do is basically just do a drive, my normal commute, well, normalish commute of about 35 miles, and I'm going to see how the best economy I can get out of the car. As you can see, I've set off relatively recently and I'm averaging 0 miles per gallon, which is never a good sign. But I've got about 3/4 of a tank. It's just me in the car. I've got a load of stuff in the boot and stuff, so relatively weighed down, but you know, it's just me, there's no other people. And yeah, I'm just going to see what it's like basically. It normally takes me about 50 minutes to an hour, and again, it's, you know, I'm not going to drive any differently to how I normally do, except I'll probably, when I get onto the motorway, I'll try and you know, I'll stick it in eco, make it a little bit more quieter and relaxing, as this car can amazingly do both sides of it. But yeah, the first part of the journey is kind of, I'm kind of stuck in this kind of sort of traffic, sort of slow speeds. You know, yeah, I'm up to 6.9 miles per gallon. We've obviously got people out, and we'll shoot across the road. Yeah, but it's actually quite a warm day, warmish. It's actually 13 degrees, so the temperature of the car, well, the car should get up to temperature relatively quickly. Obviously, like now, when you're not really moving, you're not really going anywhere, so it's quite hard to get decent economy in any car, let alone a Golf R. So that guy has kindly flashed me through, because he's very nice, and I made it. And yeah, I'm going to see what I can get. You know, this car for me is pick of the bunch in terms of, out of all the kind of hyper hatches of this kind of era, in terms of economy, in my opinion. And yeah, I'm going to try and prove that. You know, I'm not going to be giving it any, I'm not going to lie, I'm going to be taking it relatively easy, but this just for a normal commute, you know, at the same time, not, you know, going slow. I would like to get home. Oh, that's a gorgeous C63 AMG, and it sounds a lot better than my car. Wow, I hope you got that on camera, because that looks really good. Yeah, so this is my nightmarish route of ridiculously slow traffic. So the start is awful, but then when you get onto the motorway, as the engine warms up, you actually get economy is actually not too bad. So this is going to be quite tricky now, because I want to go right. Is he going to let me go? No, of course not, because that would be too nice and sensible. There we go, I've made it. Again, he should probably let me through, but there you go. But yeah, the car doing well. So for reference, I'm on 9,941 miles of the car, so it's pretty well run in. Maybe it'll bed in a bit more. People might know more than me in the comments and stuff, but I'm sure once the car gets past sort of 10,000, gets into 15,000, gets to 20,000 miles, the engine's pretty much there, in terms of the jump anyway. So yeah, and it's definitely more economical than when I first picked it up at, you know, 1,400 miles. Although saying that, I was still able to get pretty good economy. And on economy is a important thing to have for a car that can absolutely fly off out of the blocks. To still, for me to use it as my daily driver, obviously it's my only car. It's important that I can actually get, you know, some miles out of the car. So yeah, as you can see, so for the last, I haven't even done a mile according to this. I've started it for 7 minutes, and I'm on 11.9 miles per gallon. Saying that, I've got 280 miles of range, and since I actually filled up, which I didn't brim it either, I've only done actually 38 miles, so not too much. So I'm on for about low 300s, actually about 350, because I didn't fill the tank, to be fair. I think I put about 50 litres in. Yeah, so obviously, yeah, you're the lucky ones who don't get to enjoy my fantastic fantastic commute. This guy's just going to just go. Tinted out Ford Galaxy with tinted rear lights. What do you think? Yeah, interesting. Yeah, and obviously as the car beds in, blah blah blah, it gets more economical. I want to keep this relatively short, this video, so you just sort of get the main content. And yeah, basically I'm just going to show you what economy I can get out of it, and I will try and stretch it to get a high amount. And you know, the trip computer is fantastic on this. You know, it resets every time you start it. It really is pretty accurate as well. You know, I've been low on fuel as well, and you know when it says you've got, you know, 15 miles left, you've got 15 miles left kind of thing. Whereas with my Fiesta, you know, it's I have about 55 miles left, but I actually have about 30 miles left. It was never really correct, which isn't always ideal when you're trying to get somewhere and back. Yeah, on another note, I'm actually trying a new microphone. So those few people who've commented and saying that they can't hear me, mainly when I'm driving, to be fair, or not so clearly, you hopefully will be able to hear me better. You know, I'll get up to about 50, 60 miles an hour now, so you'll be able to hear whether or not it's helped. But what I will do is, in like my next 2 videos or whatever it will be, when I'm actually driving, I'll do one with the mic connected. I'll put a picture of the mic or me just holding it up while I'm talking. I'll do one with the mic and one without the mic, and just the built-in GoPro one. And I won't tell you which one it is, and I'll just write in the comments to say which one did you prefer the audio on, and be interested to know your feedback. But yeah, that's kind of that over. I don't think there's too much difference, other than the fact that this mic, I think it makes it a little bit clearer. But you know, you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, quick video. Let's see what I can get to the miles per gallon. I'll crack on, and yeah, I'll report back when I've reached home in about 35 miles time. So at the moment I'm on 20 miles per gallon, 2 miles gone, 10 minutes driving. So yeah, it's never going to be the best, but yeah, let's see what I can get out of this Golf R on my 35 mile commute from start. So yeah, see you in a bit. So there we go, guys. A bit of a disaster, really. Yeah, stuck in a lot of traffic. As you can see, it took me an hour and 16 minutes to do 32 miles, which is absolutely fantastic. Averaging 26 miles per gallon, 26 miles an hour, 38.7 MPG. I've actually gained 290 miles, so it's not too bad in that sense. But yeah, I mean, I'd like to do a bit of a challenge, to be honest. I mean, that's pretty poor, but yeah, it would be nice to potentially do better than that, so that's a shame. But yeah, obviously stuck in horrendous traffic, so adding about an extra 20 minutes just crawling. But that's the kind of economy I've got out of it. So that's with like 97 RON fuel. Yeah, I would like to try and hit, I reckon I can get pretty decent fuel out of this, definitely over sort of 45, if not potentially nearer to 50. And if I ever do, I'll definitely share it with you guys. But yeah, as I said, this car I think is fantastic. That's probably the worst commute I could have possibly had, with the stop-start and not moving anywhere, and taking me forever. So yeah, that's it's a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. Yeah, there you go. That's a little bit of the kind of real-world commute, anyway, of the car. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully, more content to come on the Golf R. Again, thanks for the subscribers, thanks for the likes. Yeah, I want to share this ownership. I'm very close to 10,000 miles now in the car, so I'll do a bit of an update on that. But yeah, happy with how the car kind of performs, put it that way. I think that's really, really impressive. But yeah, let me know your comments, let me know your thoughts on your kind of daily commute. And yeah, any questions, let me know. But you know, give it a thumbs up if you liked, subscribe if you want to see more content, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.